Punyeta, shit, you scared me, huh? Uy, Nancy, is that you? Is that you? Okay, okay. Okay, I want to wish you a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear soy sauce. Happy birthday to you. I'm kidding. It's your birthday, and I am so sorry that I cannot be there, huh? Because you know what? Look at this. Look at what is happening. I am finally Filipina. I don't know what I am, but I know that I'm Filipino at least. So this is what I do when I am not there or at working. I am here organizing the package back to the Philippines. Look, there's a lot of things that I'm packing because you know the packing is very important because it has to be tight packing, you know. So there's a lot of tight packing in this box. Okay, so there's no present for you in this box. I am sorry, but you know I cannot give you anything just yet because this has to go first. And then after that, I'm going to go to the Montreal to come and see you, huh? Probably at the ending of July though, because I am busy here. So, you know, when I go there, I will spend time with you, okay? Okay, so I'm going to do my little Elvis impersonation, okay? Okay, here it is, okay? I hope you like it. Priscilla, get me my peanut butter and jelly banana sandwich. Although you're very much. See, that is it. That is my Elvis impersonation. So anyways, okay. I know your party there, your party. Okay. So I just want to wish you a happy birthday and all the best for you and your family. And you are going to be, I don't know how old are you. I think you are already 40. Okay, you join my club. Okay, you join my club. My club is good. It's very good. According to Oprah, the 40s is the new 20s, huh? Yeah. So, you know, you and I, yeah, we 20 now. Okay, I'm gonna go now. But the thing is that I want to wish you happy birthday, and I will never forget all the things you did for me in the Philippines because you know there's nobody that is going to peel my back with my sunburn, and you did that. Don't forget, I did not forget that you did that, and you also scrubbed my back in the water, in the beach. Okay, so you know that was a beautiful beach we were on. I will never forget the beach. Okay, Boracay, long live Boracay. Okay, so I'm going to go now, but the thing is I want to tell you that you are the best, one of the funniest people alive to me. So I love you very much, and don't get me crying. I don't want to cry. I cannot cry. Okay, no crying. Okay, no crying. It is not cool to cry because Elvis doesn't cry, so I'm not crying. So I'm going to tell you that I just love you and I love you to death, and I will see you soon, and you are one of the best people I know on this planet. Okay, mwah. Love you, Nancy. Love you, Mom Sir, and I will talk to you soon, ha? Okay, sige na lang. Bye-bye. Majongera. Uy, bunot ha. Punyeta, yo. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye. Bye to everybody there. Okay, bye-bye. Mwah.